All right. Now we're to 6.3. Now we're actually to the objective. Students will be able to compose two or more functions. Right? So what that means is we're no longer evaluating. See, we have x here. We used to have some number like 4, 5, whatever, some value. And now we just have x. In other words, we're taking, if you notice here, g of x is inside of f. So that means we're going to take this function, that equation, and we're going to plug it into x. Okay, that's what we're doing. So this is how you do it. On the outside is f. So what that means, I'm going to take this function right here, write it, but instead of putting x, I'm going to put parentheses. Right? Because outside means I'm replacing this x. Now what goes into the parentheses? It's what's on the inside here, g of x. So all this, 2x plus 7, will go right here. And all you do now is simplify it. All right? Well, this is to the -1, so that means all the stuff in the parentheses gets, you got to take the reciprocal of it. So in other words, it goes to the denominator. This 2 stays. And that's it. Nothing simplifies. So you are done. All right, we're going to do 2 more. This is the same equation. All right, so now this time we're going to take f of x, plug into g. So that means on g, I take this, rewrite it, but this time I put parentheses of where x is. All right, see how this has the same form as this? Instead of having x, I have parentheses. Now what goes in the parentheses is g, excuse me, f. All right, so f, so this is going to go into here. And now I simplify. So now this -1 just goes with the x. That means I can take 2 times 2, so that's 4x to the -1 plus 7. All right, well, x to the -1, this one only has the negative exponent. So this right here, I have to take the reciprocal of. 4 stays, x goes to the bottom, and plus 7. All right, and there you go. It's not the prettiest of things, but still, that's what they want. Now, number 12, what I want you to do, if you notice, is FF. All right, so I want you to pause the video, take a shot at it, and see how you do. All right, and when you're done, hit play, and then you can match your notes with mine. All right, f of x, outside is f, so I'll take this f, I'm going to rewrite it. Okay, now what goes in the parentheses is what's inside here, which is f of x. So in other words, I'm taking itself, and I'm plugging it into here. So I'm taking this 2x to the -1. Now I'm going to simplify. The first thing I do, you notice here, this 2 stays. All this parentheses goes to the bottom. So this becomes 2x to the -1. You notice this does not become positive because I did what's inside the parentheses first. In other words, I took care of this negative. Now I got to take care of this negative. Well, this -1 only goes with x. That means this x now goes to the top. So you got 2x over 2. Now the 2's cancel, and you're left with x. All right. And that's it.